All right, let's be real. Buying or selling a home isn't as simple as most agents make it seem. You hear things like, now is the best time to buy, or the market is hot. But what they don't tell you? The truth behind those statements. Here's the deal. The market is constantly changing. Prices go up, interest rates fluctuate, and competition can be brutal. Some agents will push you into buying just to close a deal. Others might overpromise and underdeliver when selling your home, but you deserve transparency. The truth? Timing matters, but your situation matters more. Buying or selling isn't a one-size-fits-all game. You need someone who actually listens to your goals, gives you the full picture, and guides you to make the best decision, not just the fast one. And that's exactly why I do what I do. I'm not here for quick commissions. I'm here to get you real results. So if you want an agent who actually has your back, let's connect. No pressure, just real guidance. Let's make the right move together. Like, subscribe, and comment for real advice.